and welcome to episode 9 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
Let's go check out the garden.
Right behind you, Rotten.
Lift off!
Gosh, what beautiful plants.
They sure are, and no bugs.
Do you have the new measurements, Rotten?
It's so tall now, and I'm scared of heights, but there are over 100 tomatoes here.
Oh my!
Our zucchini plant is 50 inches wide. It grew another 8 inches. And the pepper plant is 17.5 inches tall, up 4 inches.
Wait a minute. We thought this was zucchini. But now that the fruit is growing in, we can see it's not zucchini. It's crookneck squash.
Surprise!
That's just one of the fun things about gardening. You never know exactly how things are going to turn out.
Learning we had crookneck squash gave me whiplash.
Oh, and shout out to the Meeks family in Salinas, California. They shared with us their beautiful urban garden with hanging tomatoes.
That's one good-looking garden.
They wrote to us, "Look at how much growth we have seen by following through with the steps and guidelines you have for us. So cool and easy to do. Just wanted to say thank you and keep up the great work."
Aw, thanks, Meeks family.
All right then. Ready to mix and water with the 5-Star Grow Kit? And remember, this week we're in the bloom phase. Thanks, helping hands. All right, looks like that's it.
Tune in next time to see what's new with the garden.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit SierraNaturalScience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.